Hello viewers, I am Kausalya. Today we are going to solve problem 4 in exercise 4.3 quadratic equations. The problem is the sum of the reciprocals of Rahman's ages in years 3 years ago and 5 years from now is 1 by 3. Find his present age. So here the sum, right? The sum refers to a plus sign here. The sum of the reciprocal of Rahman's ages. Okay. So Rahman's ages when? That is the age of Rahman is calculated as, you see, 3 years ago. That is 3 years before and 5 years from now. Okay. Here we have two ages, right? The first age is 3 years ago and the second age is 5 years from now. When you add these two ages, we get the answer as 1 by 3. Now we have to find his present age. So let x be the Rahman's present age and Rahman's age 3 years ago. That is 3 years before. What will be Rahman's age? It will be x minus 3. For example, let 10 be. Okay, just in order to give you a good clarity about the given problem, I am taking a number. Let 10 be the Rahman's present age. Right. So what will be the Rahman's age 3 years ago? That is 3 years before. 10 minus 3, his age will be 7. And what happens? That is Rahman's age 5 years from now. Okay, his present age is 10 years. Then after 5 years, what will be his age? His age will be 15. Right. So like this, as we don't know his present age, we are taking the value as x. So Rahman's age 3 years ago or 3 years before, it will be x minus 3. And 5 years after, okay, 5 years from now, his age is x plus 5. Right. Now when you add, okay, you have to take reciprocal of these ages, and when you add, you get the answer as 1 by 3. Okay, this is what given in the problem. So you see 1 by x minus 3, okay, reciprocal of this age plus the reciprocal of this age, that is 1 by x plus 5, is equal to 1 by 3. Now we have to solve this equation and we have to calculate the value of x. So here, as we have two different values in denominators, here we have to take LCM. So once you take LCM, here it is 1 into x plus 5, it is x plus 5, plus 1 into x minus 3, it is x minus 3. The whole divided by x minus 3 into x plus 5, which is equal to 1 by 3. So here when you simplify, you see x plus x, 2x, and 5 minus 3, it is 2. So 2x plus 2 divided by, here you have to multiply. You see x into x, x square, minus 3 into x, minus 3x. And again x into 5 plus 5x and minus 3 into 5 minus 15, which is equal to 1 by 3. So again when you simplify, here 2x plus 2 the whole divided by x square. So 5x minus 3x gives you plus 2x minus 15. So x square plus 2x minus 15, which is equal to 1 by 3. So when you cross multiply, so here you have 3 into 2x plus 2, which is equal to 1 into x square plus 2x minus 15. So here when you simplify, 3 into 2x, 6x, and 3 into 2 is 6. And here we have the same equation. Now we are going to frame this equation as quadratic equation. So I am moving this part plus 6x plus 6 to the right hand side. Because here I have a positive plus x square. So no need to move this term. So here I am moving this term to the right hand side. So here we have x square plus 2x minus 15 minus 6x minus 6 equal to 0. So once you simplify, here you see x square and here 2x minus 6x. So here it is minus 4x, and minus 15 minus 6 gives you minus 21. So again we are going to solve this quadratic equation. So here we are using our normal method, or you can use the quadratic formula also. Okay, either way it is correct. So here we have to select two numbers in such a way that when you multiply, you should get minus 21, and when you add or subtract, it should give you minus 4. So here we are proceeding with 7 and 3. Right, so 7 3s are 21, and when you subtract here, you get 4 as answer. But what you need minus 4. Therefore, the bigger number is provided with the minus sign and smaller number with the plus sign. So minus 7 into plus 3 gives you minus 21 and minus 7 plus 3 gives you minus 4. Right. So here I am splitting this minus 4x as minus 7x plus 3x. Now when you look at the first two terms, we can take the x term outside. So when you take x outside, here the remaining terms are x minus 7. And here when you take 3 outside, the remaining terms are x minus 7. So here when you take this x minus 7 commonly outside, the remaining terms are x plus 3. Therefore, here the terms are x plus 3 and x minus 7. Now, when you equate these terms to 0, okay, what happened? That is, we are equating x plus 3 equal to 0 and x minus 7 equal to 0. So, here what becomes? Here the value will be x is equal to minus 3 and here the value of x is equal to 7. So here in this problem we are discussing about the age, right? So whether age can be in negative terms? Never. So age should be always in a positive number. Therefore we are rejecting the value of x equal to minus 3 and we are proceeding with the value of x as 7. Therefore you see Rahman's present age is 7 years. Even if you want to check, you can substitute in the given equation. That is, wait, let me show you. You see here the value of x is 7, right? So just substitute here. 1 by 7 minus 3 plus 1 by 7 plus 5. So 1 by 7 minus 3 gives you 4 plus 1 by 7 plus 5 gives you 12. Right. So when you take LCM, what happens here? Here you have to multiply by 3. Right. So 1 into 3, 3. 3 plus 1 gives you 4. So 4 by 12, which is nothing but 1 by 3. Right. So you see this is the thing which is given in the problem. That is the sum of the reciprocals of Rahman's age 3 years ago and sum of the reciprocal of Rahman's age after 5 years from now. So when we add these two things, you are getting the answer as 1 by 3. So here we had get the value of x as 7. So when you substitute here, you see it is 1 by 7 minus 3 plus 1 by 7 plus 5. And again here we are taking LCM, right? So here I am multiplying this term with 3. So multiplying both denominator and numerator by 3. So here when you simplify, you see the denominator becomes 12 and 1 into 3 becomes 3. So 3 plus 1, which is 4 by 12, which is finally equal to 1 by 3. That is, the given scenario in the problem gets satisfied with our answer. So this is a best way to have a check, okay, whether the given answer, that is the answer you derived, is right or wrong. It is better to check like this. It will take some 1 or 2 minutes. That's it. Right. So the given solution, that is the obtained solution, is exactly correct because it satisfies the given condition in the problem. So that's all. If you have any doubt, let me know in the comment section. Thank you.